With our tow truck SEEMORE crossing the 47,000 mile mark, it was time for some maintenance. SEEMORE is a Ford F250, a turbo diesel. I just like saying turbo diesel. Diesel engines generate great gobs of power, but they do cost a little more to maintain. An oil change with Rotella T, which is a favored oil amongst diesel owners, costs just under $100. But the big ticket item on this particular day was a different sort of black stuff: tires. Our factory Continentals had taken us safely throughout North America, but they were showing their age. The rear tires flat out failed the crucial Abe Lincoln tire tread test. When shopping for tires, my first stop is usually TireRack.com. Even if I don't actually purchase the tires from Tire Rack, I find their online review system is quite helpful. This time, I decided on Michelin LTX MS2 tires for SEEMORE, because if Tire Rack reviews are to be believed, they will transform our pickup truck's ride into something resembling a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Now for the actual tire purchase, and this will surprise no one who knows me, Costco. Purchasing tires from Costco has several benefits. We're talking not only price, but also free lifetime rotation and balance services. Tire rotation is particularly important for an RV tow vehicle. That's because the rear tires suffer a lot more wear and tear than the fronts. We'll strive to rotate our Michelins around every 5,000 miles if possible. With Costco tire service centers located throughout North America, no matter where we happen to be camping, we can easily get service. The total damage to the pocketbook for these tires was about $1,000. The Michelins do cost a little more than other brands of tires. However, they come with a 6-year, 70,000-mile tread life warranty. So if you factor in 70,000 miles of travel, they're really not that much more expensive than the other guys. I'm happy to report that the new tires completely swallow up old Honest Abe's head, making me a more confident driver. And SEEMORE is once again a happy camper.